Welcome back to the Taste to Share kitchen. Today, we're making one of the all-time favorites, crispy pork belly with a tangy dipping vinegar sauce. Crunchy outside, tender inside, and bursting with flavor. Let's get started. We begin with 1.2 kilograms of pork belly. Cut the meat into thick slices, not too thin, so it stays juicy when fried. Now, in a large pan with enough water, place the pork slices in one by one. To flavor the boil, add 1.5 tablespoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, 3 to 4 pieces of bay leaf, 1 whole head of garlic, just crush it lightly, and 1 large onion sliced in 4. Throw in some onion leeks too. Bring it to a boil. Turn the meat once in a while to cook both sides evenly. Lower the heat and let it simmer for about 20 minutes or until the pork is nice and tender. While we wait, let's make the dipping vinegar sauce. 8 tablespoons of vinegar, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, 2 large onions, finely minced. Chopped chili if you like it spicy, totally optional. Salt, adjust to taste, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, and 5 tablespoons of water to balance it all out. Give it a good mix. Then set it aside. Back to the pork. Once it's tender, remove it from the pot and let it cool slightly. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and tap the bell icon for more easy home-cooked dishes. Pat the pork slices dry with paper towels. Now sprinkle some salt over the pork, both sides, to bring out more flavor during frying. Heat some oil in a pan over medium heat. Once hot, carefully place the pork slices into the oil. Be cautious, if there's moisture, it can splatter. Fry the pork until the skin turns golden brown and crispy. If you want an even crispier result, you can go for a double fry. Let the meat rest after the first fry, then fry it again until it reaches that perfect crunch. And there it is. Our pork belly is golden, crispy, and ready to serve. Serve it hot with your dipping vinegar sauce on the side. Crispy on the outside, tender and juicy on the inside, every bite is packed with flavor. If you enjoyed this crispy treat, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss the next recipe. Check out my other videos for more mouth-watering meals you can make at home. See you in the next one. Happy cooking!